India could soon resume COVID-19 vaccine deliveries to COVAX, the global vaccine sharing platform. Vaccine exports from India were suspended in April to inoculate its own people during a devastating second wave of COVID-19. But the WHO has been putting pressure on New Delhi to resume exports. Almost 80% of India's eligible population has received a first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. But the pace has since slowed, with fewer than 40% fully vaccinated. Ishan Garg joins us now live in New Delhi. Ishan, how will India determine how many doses to begin shipping out?
Well, it completely depends on the local uptake of the vaccine. The Health Minister, Mr. Mansukh Mandavia, had made it abundantly clear back in October when the decision was first taken to start exporting doses. He said that any extra doses are going to be the only ones that will be exported. And since then, 4 million shots have already been exported. Now, a lot of the vaccines that go to the COVAX facility depend on the production capacity of the Serum Institute of India, which is India's largest vaccine maker. The head of the company has said that they are hoping to ship close to 25 to 30 million shots every month in November and December, and are hoping to up it by another 10 million from January. But as of now, no real paperwork has been signed. The deals have not been finalized, so it's unclear how many shots India is going to send towards COVAX. But it's worth remembering that COVAX cut its delivery targets by about 30% because countries like India were not supplying their quota of vaccines. So this news that India is now likely to supply vaccines to COVAX again is going to be good news for many middle and lower income countries.
And at the same time, domestic vaccination rates have slowed.
Absolutely. If you look at the numbers in the past 3 months, back in September, the average vaccination rates every day were about 8 million shots being delivered. That fell to about 5.21 million shots last month. And in the first week of November, the average number has fallen down to only 2.98 million. So we have seen a gradual decline in the vaccination rates. Now, it must be remembered that a large section has already received 1 dose, but it's the second dose where experts are seeing a lot of vaccine hesitancy. There is a bit of misinformation around as well, which people believe that if they've got 1 shot of the vaccine, they are protected from COVID-19 virus. So now the government is trying to launch a massive information campaign to make sure that people are not skipping their second dose, which seems to be the primary problem here. And some states like Maharashtra, which are already seeing high vaccination rates, are now urging the government to start door-to-door vaccination, as the hope is that by making vaccines more accessible, they will be able to up the vaccine rates again.
All right. Thank you for the update there. We've been speaking with Ishan Garg in New Delhi.